everyone, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn how to find out rational numbers between the given numbers. Here they given integers -1 and 0. So -2 and -1. So what are the rational numbers or what are the numbers comes between these two? So if I take a -1 and 0, if I see that, so which are the numbers? By looking that we are getting a confusion. Ma'am, here -1 after 0 comes. Then where it is the others numbers will get it. So in this class we are going to learn in these two numbers. So many numbers will come that we're going to learn. So first of all, what they given here? How many numbers we need to minimum? How many numbers we need to write? 5. To find out the 5. So here it is -1 and 0. These two numbers are given. 5 they were asking, so more than 5. So we need to multiply and divide given number with more than 5. So first more than 5 number is 6. So next to more than 5 is 7, 8, 9, 10. So any numbers you can take and multiply and divide with them, you will be able to write a rational numbers. Same thing like that. 0, 6 by 6, denominator is nothing. If there it means 1, here also 1. So we'll simplify now. Numerator means numerator, denominator. -1 into 6. 1 into 6, you will get it up. -6 by 6. Here also same thing. 0 into 6 divided by 1 into 6. 0 by anything you will get it a 0. 1 by 1 into 6 is 6. Now between these two numbers we are able to write at least 5 numbers. So first it is -6 by 6 and 0 by 6. So it means that we are standing here through the number line, we are understanding already. So -6 after comes -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6, -1 by 6. Here -6 by 6 we are not, because we are not considering, because these two numbers between middle numbers we need to write. -6 after will comes -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Next number 0 by 6. So we are written already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want more than 5, you will take here 7. 7 by 7, 7 by 7. So we will get it that time more than 5 number also. So here also same thing. They given -2 and -1. So more than 5. If you want, you can multiply with the 6. You will get it at that time. Maximum 5 numbers. So if you want more than 5, you can multiply with the 6 by 6. Exactly 5 numbers you will get. So ma'am, I will multiply with the other numbers. So you can take a 10, 8. So we'll take a 10. What happen? We'll see. 10 by 10. So 10 is more than 5. So now -2 into 10 divided by 1 by 10. -2 minus into plus. So this is minus. So in the here 10 having a plus sign. So numbers which is having a plus sign we are not writing. So minus sign it is there, we need to put it a bracket, so that if that shows, so we need to multiply with the sign. So here also -1 into 10 divided by 1 into 10. Minus into plus, -10, 1 into 10. So here we left the denominator. So now we need to check denominator is same. Yes. Here also check denominator are same. So to write the rational numbers between that, so one more point we need to keep. Never mind, denominator should be same. So now we are going to write rational numbers between 20 by 10 and minus 10 by 10. So first now it is minus 20 after minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10. So how many they were asking? 5. We got a 5 still. We need to reach minus 10. Still some more rational numbers we are getting. Minus 14 by 10, minus 13 by 10, minus 12 by 10, minus 11 by 10. How many we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rational numbers we are getting. So they were asking a 5. So 5 numbers is enough. So you can, if you want, you can change the numbers here. You will get it more than 5 rational numbers. So this is the way we have to find out the rational numbers between the given numbers. If you like our video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.